Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a room tour of the Days Inn in Melbourne, Florida. This is their king non-smoking room. Has a king bed in the room, a chair with a little desk, telephone, and a desk in the room, dresser, single cup coffee maker, flat screen TV, microwave and refrigerator, alarm clock, newly updated room, ironing board and iron, little closet area, the sink area, and a bathroom with a shower tub combination. If you're in the Melbourne area and looking for something cheap and inexpensive, check out the Days Inn in Melbourne, Florida. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe. Follow along for more videos to come. Until next time.